The company's conquest, 1757 to 1849. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extended its power on 18th century on India. Indian princes were short-sighted.
British had the East India Company and it could be easily subdued Indian princes one by one. The far-seeing ruler like the brave Tipu of Mysore bought the British till he died fighting.
The lions one day near me is a jackal that better than the 100 years of lives. Putting the feet of the British colonel on the body of Tipu Sultan, he said that from the body of Tipu Sultan, India is our right Tipu Sultan, operate the side Tipu Sultan.
How did Indians react to their conquest?
I am Lakshmi Bai. I will protect. Jhansi needs I have the last drop of blood in my body. We will fight so that the generation of to come celebrate their freedom. I will not give my Jhansi to anyone.
Religion leaders pitched ideas like untouchability and child marriage.
The truth was that the Indians had lost self-respect. The British scored them.
Merchants, the British wanted profit and their heavy taxes forced farmers abandon their fields. Still, the British invented new and more methods to give them more profit.
Inevitably, famines between 1822 and 1836. 15 lakh Indians died on starvation. Ram Mohan Rai, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country.
He told his wife Uma,
but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers had different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. I think they're right.
He was attracted by science and modern knowledge.
We accept you as rulers, and you must accept us as subjects. But remember, the responsibility a ruler owes to his subject.
He crossed the sea and went on England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them,
We accept you as rulers, and you must accept us as subjects. But remember, the responsibility a ruler owes to his subject.
all the time the British officers in India drew big salaries and made fortunes in private business.
by 1829, Britain was exported British goods worth 7 crore rupees to India. The British prospered on the company's loot while Indian industries began to die.
Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change.
English education produced clerks to whom the British gave pretty jobs under them. Anciently, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals.
In 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared little about the needs of Indians. There are lots of people sitting in groups. And the one man said, "Our king have become puppets and we have lost our old jobs." And the British supporter Pandit said, "And land? What about the land?" And man who will not able to stand to his brothers, and he said that they are converting our brothers. You only talk to do something to drive them out. So there will be discussion of the British and their kings, and they are not able to stand in front of British and say all the problems of their which they are facing in their life. This continued to ruin the peasants. In Bengal, the Santhal who had lost their land under new land rules became desperate. In 1855, they rose in rebellion and massacred European and the supporters alike. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too.
Thousands of other sepoys revolted. They wore stripped to their uniforms. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant to his regiment and was executed.
Till today you have seen my loyalty, now you will see our anger. This is a fight from freedom, the freedom for yesterday, for tomorrow. Thank you.
Humiliated and put in iron.
This man had cared about the Indian customs or the people's mind.
Soon, chapters were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services.
Similarly, the lotus flower circulated to the Indian soldiers.
Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. The sepoy marched to Delhi.
The rebellion spread. Landlords had lost their lands because of British policies and they were sore. One man who lost his land, and he said, "The white man's rule must end." And another man supported his voice, "Yes, we will help you."
Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat rulers Mahal of Lucknow were beaten.
I am your peer, and I know the British rulers they taken away our kingdom. We find the upsurge against the foreigner.
The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Ahmedabad. Azimullah Khan told Takia Tod,
We should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. The patriots pounced upon the British and the fought pitched the battle all over the North India.
3-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. This is my last update.
at a function in Delhi.
O my countrymen, at your eyes fill with tears as you recall the sacrifices of Indian martyrs.